In this video, I'll be comparing TickTick and Microsoft To Do, two task managers that are simple yet powerful in their own ways. So which one is better? For Microsoft To Do, it is a clean and easy to use app built into the Microsoft ecosystem. It integrates well with Outlook and Microsoft 365, allowing you to create task lists, set reminders, and break tasks into subtasks. It's perfect for users who want a simple tool without too many distractions, especially for basic work or personal planning within the Microsoft environment. On the other hand, TickTick takes things further. While it can be used just as simply, it also includes advanced features like a calendar view, habit tracker, Pomodoro timer, smart list, and so on. You can customize how you view and organize tasks, plan your day visually, and track progress across different areas of life. If you only need straightforward task lists and use Outlook often, then you will just use Microsoft To Do, and it is a reliable choice as well. But if you're looking for a full-featured productivity system, then TickTick gives you much more control and flexibility. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.